his official name was Yosef Binyomen Teitelbaum, or Joseph Benjamin Teitelbaum. He never used the Yosef. His pen name was B. Demblin, or Base Demblin. He named himself, he gave himself that name because he was born in the town of Mudgets in Poland, and the Polish name for Mudgets is Demblin. So Demblin became his pen name, although his first book, I believe it was 1934, was published under B. Teitelbaum.
Did he ever tell you why he wanted to have a pen name instead of using his own name?
No, I don't know why. Yeah, I guess he wanted to honor his hometown. He never said why. I mean, why do authors get a pen name? Well, Shalom Aleichem.
Right.
Yeah, and Mark Twain. You know,
Mark Twain.
So yeah, but so I don't know that. Yeah. But I think he did say that he wanted to, because that was where he came from.